Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and if you want to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription on Roku, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is you have to go to the support.paramountplus.com, and from here you can find the help center where you can search for any article. Like you can simply search for cancel, and you can find how do I cancel my subscription here. So simply click on it, and from here you can find different types of platforms. So it depends on platforms, the steps actually. Now here you can find the Roku, so you have to simply click on Roku and it will lead you to that exact article where you can get help out with that steps. So if you want to cancel it, then you have to follow the steps from a web browser using your Roku account. Sign into your Roku account at myroku.com, then click and on manage your subscription, then select the subscription channel to cancel. Click on subscribe. From your Roku device, go to your home screen and highlight the Paramount Plus channel. Do not click on it, and press the star button on the Roku remote. Then select manage subscription, then choose cancel subscription, then choose the cancel subscription again for the confirmation. So that's how you can just simply do it. But if I give you a tip that if you are already cross over 15 days, 10 days, 15 days or 20 days used this Paramount Plus on your Roku device or on your Roku web, so I prefer you that you have to use it until the last day of the subscription. Then when it asks for the renew, then you can actually cancel it, because you have already used it for half of month. So you should do the rest, you should enjoy the Paramount Plus for the rest of the time of that month. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.